Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi. Welcome to you, my YouTube channel Experience the Math. And today in this video we are going to solve 10th class Maths NCERT book chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 14. So according to the question number 14, a 1.2 meter tall girl spot a balloons moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at the instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So diagram of this question is given, but 88.2 meter distance is from the ground. So the dotted line should be touched till the ground, and the height of the girl is 1.2 meter tall girl. So based on the given information, and as the diagram is also given to us, so we'll draw the diagram and try to solve this question. So the position of the girl PQ 1.2 meter. Okay, now the suppose there is a balloon at the point A which is 88.2 meter height from the ground. Okay, this is the ground level. It is given in the question. It is the height of the balloon from the ground level. Okay, when the balloon is at position A, point A, the angle of elevation of the girl of the balloon is 60 degree. Okay, after some time, due to wind, the balloon blows and new position of the balloon is point B. At point B, from the same point, the girl is still standing here, and the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. As the object will move far from the point of angles, so angle of elevation will be decreased. So now the angle becomes 30 degree when the balloon is at the position of B. Now the height of the girl is 1.2 meter. So we have drawn the horizontal label. This is the ground level, and we have drawn the horizontal label at the height of the girl. So this is 1.2 meter. So the point EC will be equal to 1.2 meter, and the same FD will be 1.2 meter. Okay, now at the point A, the position of the balloon or the height of the balloon from the ground, from this horizontal label, not the ground, from the ground it is given 88.2 meter. But now we will calculate the height of the balloon from this horizontal label. From this horizontal label, the angle of elevation is 60 degree in first case. So complete AC equal to 88.2 meter, and this position EC is equal to 1.2 meter. So we can calculate AE. AE will be 88.2 minus 1.2 meter. So 1.2 यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So now the height of the balloon from this horizontal level will be how much? 87 meter. 87 meter. So and the same as the position from this horizontal level, but because it is the horizontal level, so AE will be equal to BF. So the height of the BF will be equal to 87 meter. Okay, now first we will apply tan theta ratio in the triangle AEP. AEP. So this distance I am considering as Y, and the distance traveled by the balloon from point A to point B I am considering as it X meter. So first we will try in the triangle AEP. in the triangle AEP, angle of elevation is given to us. Height of the balloon from this horizontal level 87 is given to us. We can easily calculate the y, means the base we can calculate. Okay. In the second case, we'll apply the tan theta in the triangle BFP. BFP. In this, angle of elevation is given to us. Height of the balloon from this horizontal level 87 is given to us. This y we have already calculated from this triangle AEP, and now we can easily calculate this x. So this x EF will be equal to this AB, because it is in the horizontal level. It is both the lines are parallel and the distance between the two parallel lines are equal. So this AB equal to EC. Now let's see how we are solving this question. Hope the diagram is clear to everyone. So AC equal to BD is equal to 88.2, the height of the balloon from the ground. PQ, the height of the girl. AE is equal to BF equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, that means 87. This is the height of the balloon from the horizontal level. This height is from this horizontal level 87. So now AB I am considering as x, the distance between first position and second position. AE, the PE, the position of girl, and the first position of the balloon. Okay, distance. So first A in the triangle AEP, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. So AE is the perpendicular and EP is the base. So 87 upon y in the first triangle, as I explained earlier. AE upon EP. So 87 upon y. So 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. After cross multiplication, we are getting this. Okay. Rationalize root 3, we are doing the rationalizing. So y will be equal to 29 root 3 meter. Okay. So now we will try in triangle BFP, the bigger one triangle, 1030, angle of elevation, base perpendicular upon base, perpendicular, that means height from the horizontal level, that is 87, and the base, the complete distance, the distance of the first balloon from the girl and the distance traveled by the balloon. So x plus y. So 1 upon root 3, 1030's value. After cross multiplying and simplification, I am getting x equal to 87 root 3 minus y. So value of y is 29. I am putting here, and the x equal to 58 minus root 3 after subtracting. Distance traveled by the balloon in that time period is 58 root 3 meter. 58 root 3 meter. That's it. So in this question or in these type of questions, first diagram should be very clear to you. Then the calculation is almost same in every question. So diagram, first you will clear and verify your diagram, then you will solve the question further.